You may find this hard to believe, but there are certain everyday foods that can quietly support your brain and your eyesight while you sleep. Not during exercise, not while reading or doing puzzles, but during the deep, quiet hours when your body is finally at rest. It sounds surprising, I know. Most seniors are told that decline is unavoidable, that forgetfulness, blurry vision, and slower thinking are simply part of aging, that once you pass 60, the best you can do is manage the damage. But let me ask you something. Have you ever stood in the kitchen and forgotten why you went there? Have headlights at night started to feel harsher, making driving or walking after sunset uncomfortable or even risky? Have you noticed it takes longer to find words or remember familiar names? That's not just age. That's your brain and your macula, the central part of your retina, struggling to repair themselves during the night. And unfortunately, most people over 60 unknowingly make this harder. They go to bed with an empty stomach, or after a sugary snack or just a slice of bread. No real nourishment, no support for repair. Just another night of silent wear and tear. But here's the encouraging part. There are 4 simple, natural foods that can help support nighttime brain renewal and protect your vision while you sleep. No costly supplements, no extreme diets, just smart, gentle choices you can prepare in your own kitchen. And the final food on this list may seem small, but I've seen it create powerful changes in mental clarity and night vision. So stay with me. And if you're new here, consider subscribing. This channel is dedicated to helping seniors stay sharp, independent, and confident through real, practical, science-backed guidance. Let's take this step together. Let's begin. Let's start with one of the most overlooked vegetables for seniors, beets. When eaten in the evening, beets provide your body with something remarkably valuable, natural nitrates. These compounds don't just help the heart. Inside your body, they're converted into nitric oxide, which gently relaxes blood vessels and improves circulation, especially to the brain and eyes. This becomes critically important as we age. Blood flow to the brain naturally declines over time, contributing to slower thinking, memory lapses, and evening confusion. At the same time, reduced circulation to the retina weakens the macula, the part of the eye responsible for sharp central vision. The encouraging news is that beets can help counter this process. In a 2017 study published in the Journals of Gerontology, older adults who consumed beet juice daily for just 2 weeks showed improved blood flow to the brain's frontal regions, areas tied to memory and decision-making. Brain imaging revealed stronger activation during cognitive tasks. Now, imagine this. You eat beets in the early evening. Blood vessels gently widen. Oxygen-rich blood flows more easily to your brain and eyes right before sleep. That creates the ideal conditions for overnight repair. Beets also contain betanin, a powerful antioxidant pigment that helps reduce oxidative stress, one of the main drivers of memory decline and macular degeneration. A laboratory study published in Nutrients found that betanin helped reduce protein buildup associated with neurodegeneration. One of my former patients, Robert, age 73, began drinking a small glass of beet juice in the early evening. Within a few weeks, he noticed fewer moments of nighttime confusion and found reading easier again without straining his eyes. For best results, enjoy cooked beets or beet juice about 1 to 2 hours before bed. Roasted, steamed, or boiled all work well. Avoid eating them right before lying down, as the fiber may keep digestion active. With consistency, beets quietly support blood flow, oxygen delivery, and retinal health night after night. Now, let's talk about a food many people underestimate: eggs. As we age, 2 things often decline together: memory and night vision. Eggs naturally provide key nutrients that help support both during sleep. Egg yolks are rich in choline, a nutrient the brain uses to produce acetylcholine, a chemical messenger essential for learning and memory. Lower acetylcholine levels are linked to slower thinking and recall. Research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that adults with higher choline intake performed better on memory tests. Another long-term study found that higher choline consumption was associated with healthier brain structure and less white matter decline. Eggs also support the eyes. The yolk contains lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that concentrate in the macula and help protect against light damage and age-related vision loss. A clinical trial showed that just one egg a day significantly increased macular pigment density in older adults. What makes eggs special is absorption. The healthy fats in the yolk help your body absorb these nutrients far more efficiently than vegetables alone, especially important for seniors. When eaten in the evening, eggs provide the raw materials your brain and retina need during deep sleep, when detoxification and repair are at their peak. For best results, enjoy one soft-boiled or poached egg 2 to 3 hours before bed. It's light, nourishing, and easy to digest. And current research confirms that one egg a day is safe for most healthy older adults. If there's one green I trust most for aging brains and eyes, it's spinach. Spinach contains lutein and zeaxanthin, essential antioxidants that protect the macula and improve visual clarity. But these nutrients don't just stay in the eyes, they also accumulate in brain regions responsible for memory and processing speed. A major study found that people with higher intake of these carotenoids had significantly lower risk of advanced macular degeneration. Other research showed improved visual processing speed in older adults with increased lutein intake. At night, your retina becomes metabolically active, repairing cells and replenishing protective pigments. Without adequate nutrients, this process slows, leading to glare sensitivity and blurry vision. Spinach also provides vitamin K and folate, which help reduce inflammation in the brain, a hidden contributor to cognitive decline. One patient, Helen, 71, struggled with night reading and morning brain fog. After adding lightly sautéed spinach to her evening meals several times a week, she noticed clearer vision and improved mental sharpness within weeks. Light cooking with olive oil improves absorption. Avoid overcooking. Consistency matters more than quantity. Finally, let's talk about chia seeds, tiny but powerful. Chia seeds are rich in plant-based omega-3s, which help maintain flexibility in brain and retinal cells. As cell membranes stiffen with age, communication slows and inflammation rises. Research shows that omega-3 intake supports cognitive performance and reduces neuroinflammation in older adults. Chia seeds also provide complete protein, magnesium, and fiber, all critical for nighttime repair and stable blood sugar during sleep. Magnesium, in particular, supports neurotransmitter balance and deeper sleep, enhancing the brain's natural detox process. To use them, mix 1 tablespoon of chia seeds into almond milk or yogurt and let it sit until gelled. Enjoy about an hour before bed. Always soak chia seeds before eating for easier digestion. Over time, this simple habit supports deeper sleep, calmer inflammation, and steady overnight nourishment. Now, how do you put this all together? Keep it simple. Start your evening with a small portion of beets. Include 1 egg with dinner. Add lightly cooked spinach. Finish with a small chia pudding before bed. If that feels like too much, start with just 1 or 2. Consistency matters more than perfection. The goal isn't restriction, it's support. A quiet routine that helps your brain and eyes heal while you sleep. Sometimes the biggest health shifts don't come from medicine, but from small, steady choices. A moment at the dinner table, a habit before bed. If you've watched until now, thank you. Your time matters. If this video helped you, please like it, share it, and leave a comment so others know they're not alone. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll be here with you, guiding you step by step. You deserve clarity. You deserve strong vision. And you deserve restful nights. Let's make that happen, starting tonight.